Hello everyone, in this video we discuss about features of Indian agriculture. The first feature is subsistence agriculture. In India, agriculture is normally subsistence in their character because the farmer owns a small piece of land and grow crops mainly for the family consumption and little surplus to sell in the market. This type of agriculture has been practiced in India for last several years. The next feature is heavy pressure of population. In India is a high population country and it got a second place in total population, and their main occupation is agriculture. Nearly 70% of total population of people directly or indirectly depends upon agriculture. So agriculture has to provide food for those increasing population and also provide employment opportunities for large section of landless laborers. The next feature is importance of animals. In India, practically agricultural operation like ploughing, irrigation, threshing, transporting the agriculture products are done by the animals. Because the complete mechanization of Indian agriculture is still distant goal. In several years, animals plays an important role in agriculture. The next one is dependent upon monsoon. Indian agriculture is a failure of monsoon because it's uncertain, unreliable and irregular. If monsoon is very good, the production will be more, and the monsoon is less than the average, then the crops will be failed. Since independence, only 1/3 of the cropped area are provided by perennial irrigation, and the remaining 2/3 of the cropped area has to bear the brunt of the vagaries of the monsoon. Then variety of crops. In India is the largest country with variety of climate conditions and soil. So therefore large variety of crops grown in India. Indian farmers are able to grow a large variety of tropical and temperate crops. It includes both food crops and commercial crops. The food crop scores overall other crops for land under agriculture. Next feature is lack of definite agricultural land use policy. In the absence of a definite land use policy, the farmers grow crops according to their convenience. This sometimes leads to excess of production and sometimes scarcity. For instance, many a times the farmers have to ban their sugarcane crop and often get less remunerative price of vegetables. Next, primitive technology. Most of the farmers in our country, especially in rain-fed areas, use draught animals like bullocks, male buffaloes and camels for agricultural operation. The health and efficiency of the draught animals is low, which often retards the timely operations of sowing, weeding and harvesting. The next feature is traditional methods of production. In Indian, farmers are used old or traditional methods of production, and they are using outdated models of equipments because Indian farmers are very poor and they are illiterate. So they don't know about the new technology. Traditional technologies are one of the main cause of low production. The next feature is labor intensive cultivation. In Indian agriculture is a labor based enterprise in which most of the agricultural operations like ploughing, leveling, sowing, weeding etc. are carried or done by human hands. The last feature is underemployment. So due to inadequate irrigation facilities and uncertain rainfall, the production of agriculture is less and the farmers find work for a few months in a year. So their capacity of work cannot be properly utilized. In agriculture, there is underemployment as well as disguised unemployment. So what is disguised unemployment? Is a kind of unemployment in which there are people who are visibly employed but are actually unemployed. This situation also known as hidden unemployment. These are the features of Indian agriculture. Thank you.